Let's make a house organ bass with Serum's additive synthesis capabilities. I'll start with a sine wave by selecting the basic shapes wavetable. Then I open the wavetable editor. The wavetable editor's additive synthesis works like the drawbars on an organ, in that they add harmonics to a waveform. The harmonics present in the waveform dictate its timbre. Let's turn this simple sine into something with a little more flavour by adding some harmonics. I'm going to go for bin 6 at 33% and bin 12 at 23%, which gives us an organ-like tone right off the bat. I'd like both oscillators to use this shape, so I copy the wave shape, swap to OSC-B and paste the wave shape. Next I activate OSC-B and turn down the rand knob on both oscillators so that they start at the same point on the waveform each time. Then I transpose OSC-B up 19 semitones, which gives us a perfect fifth interval and gives us some mids on top of our existing bass. I don't want this to be as loud as the root note, so I turn OSC-B's level down to 64%. I'm going to use the filter to give the sound a percussive feel by closing it at the start of each note, so first I need to turn it on. I activate the OSC-B to filter routing so that both oscillators are routed through the filter. I set ONV2 to modulate the filter with a level of 38. Then I turn envelope 2 sustain down to 0. This gives the filter that percussive movement I wanted. I'd like to add a touch of reverb to the sound, so in the FX section I activate the reverb effect and turn the decay down to just over a second. That's a basic house organ bass. If you'd like to make a more individual version of it, then try tweaking the harmonics in the wavetable editor to create different timbres. I'm Tim Cant. Please like and subscribe for more quick production tips.